Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. We're going to be going into another Klein Tools product, this being one of their Connect lineup items. This is their 23-piece impact socket set. They do have another one that I want to do a review on, so stay tuned for that. But I just reviewed their 27-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver as well as their 7-piece grab-and-go impact socket set. But I really like some of these Connect sets, and so I wanted to review this, especially because I think Lowe's here by me has this on sale for a ridiculous price. Some of the Connect sets can be expensive, but that's kind of what you get when you move into the kind of pack out stuff and mobile sets. They just get a little bit more expensive for their versatility. So they're not for everybody, but I'm a big fan of a lot of them. Some of them, this goes for all brands, some of them, you know, I wouldn't get any use out of, but some of them out there could be extremely useful. But here you can see everything included, SAE, the flip sockets and the sizes and the bits included. Here's just a little bit of information: slim profile pass-through ratchet, the included sizes. It has an adapter for using 1/4-inch sockets. It has an adapter for 1/4-inch bits or to use as a 1/4-inch socket. It even has an adapter so you can use the other parts of this kit in an impact driver. So I thought that was really cool. And then it being the Connect case, it can snap on with all of your other Connect items. It does have a built-in ruler on the bottom of it, up to 9 inches. That seems like a really big 9 inches. I don't know. Maybe that's me. I think 9 inches is like here, but I'm not going to argue. I really like the Connect cases. I think they're built well. They're usually organized really well. The other thing that I like is the accessibility to these bits. A lot of kits make it a pain to get to the bits, especially when they're facing this way and you have to turn them up. A lot of them, you're like sitting there fighting, prying, trying to get it up. This has like a couple different locked locations, and you can even grab this little tab and push. It's very easy. They're very secure in there. They're not going anywhere, and it just works well. No need to fight it. Easily grab what you want, stow it away. So you got your bits up there. Then moving down, you have your driver handle. You can use like your extension in here. It does take some effort when it's new to get them in, but once they're broken in, they just use a retention ring. Kind of hard to see there. There you can see the retention ring that locks in the center of the splines. And then you can toss in whatever socket you want. Or if you wanted to toss this in, then you can use your flip sockets on here, which is nice, and it makes them all magnetic. And the thing that I like about this is you can put these flip sockets on this shaft however you want. It still stores away no matter what order you put them in. So I do like that they didn't require you to go from smallest to largest in order to store it away. They do have it identified here. It's very small though: 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, and then the 1/4 just sits over here by its lonesome. But it is magnetic as well, so you can use this for the bits as well. So I really like just the versatility of this. It's still simple. I mean, there's quite a few pieces here, but it's still simple and very versatile. The ratcheting mechanism feels really smooth as well. Now you can use whatever sockets you want. Like here I have the Capri 1/4-inch impact set. The problem is getting your sockets back without taking the whole thing with it. It may come out, but not a big deal. I do like that they include that, so you can use sockets outside of what's included with this set. I also like the fact that the sockets are color coded. So you have different colors: orange, red, brown, blue, and yellow. And I'm probably going to pick up the metric set just so there's a different version. There's more sockets to it, and I want to get it because it's got a lot of metric options to it, which I really am happy that Klein is moving towards producing more and more metric sets. Obviously, a lot of people that buy Klein tools are in professions where a lot of SAE is used, but I think now that Klein is starting to push more and more metric products, they're opening up their customer base to more than just their typical customers, which I think is awesome. I like this ratchet. It is very slim, very low profile. Here you can see the retention ring in the middle of the splines there. Got like a lanyard loop there on the end. Like I said, you have this adapter so you can throw it in an impact, and then you can grab one of your sockets and toss it in there, and now you're good to go there. I just like the versatility of it. You can use it with the driver, you can use it with the ratchet, you can use it with an impact, and then you got your flip sockets. These setups are always kind of, to me, like, I don't know, they're hit or miss. I'm either a really big fan, I guess it depends on what I'm working on. Sometimes I'm a really big fan of it. Sometimes I prefer to just have my sockets, because sometimes reorganizing these is annoying, but whatever ones you're not using, you just slide on from the bottom. They kind of have the spot, the retention ring spot, that just kind of holds them in place. Or you can just jam them all up to the top is typically what I do. And then whichever one you're using has to be put on from the top. And then it makes it magnetic. Big fan of the versatility and the convenience of it. Just sometimes when I'm working, I don't know. Sometimes I have a short temper when I'm working. But I like the idea of it. I like the sizes included. Once again, I don't use a lot of SAE, so I will definitely get more use out of the metric set. But I still thought this was a really cool set, and when you catch this thing on sale, I think it's a phenomenal deal. Like I said, it doesn't matter how you put it in there, it fits. So I want to say at like Northern Tool, Acme, some other locations, it's going to range between it's going to be around $50. But on sale right now at Lowe's, it's $30, which I think for this set is a phenomenal price for everything included and the versatility of it all. And just the slim profile. I mean, the amount of stuff you're getting here, the flip sockets, the magnetic flip sockets, the magnetic 1/4-inch drive bit adapter or socket, and then all of the other SAE sockets, the extension, the adapter for the impact, the adapter to then use the flip sockets in the driver, or like this, you can just toss in an impact. Just the versatility of it all. Sets like this can be a huge help. Especially like for me, I work out of my truck. I try to find sets that don't take up a lot of room, that still have a lot of functionality, and that are just useful. And sets like this, depending on what you do, can be extremely useful. I get it, not all of these sets are going to be useful or worth it to some of those, but for those out there that need sets like this, they can be a game changer. So that is a look at the 23-piece impact socket set for the Knect lineup. Stay tuned. I will have the other one here soon, but I will try to have this link down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know. I'll do my best to answer it down in the comments. I will be throwing this in the work truck for a couple months. We'll see how it holds up. I'm just going to use and abuse it, and I'll come back to you guys with an update. But if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.